cannot get success in my life. Ever in my life. If you ever come across this statement, please do watch this video till the end. Basically, everybody hustle. Everybody do hard work. Everybody wants to achieve something in one or the other field. But they actually feel that success is the thing which you achieve. Success comes when you are happy. Even the Google says that success means achievement. I would say that no, I actually disagree with that, because success is the one which comes when you try, when you rise and when you fall, when you learn, when you are being you and when you are hardworking and when you are hustling. I just want to tell that whoever is struggling right now, whoever is hardworking to do something in certain field, I would just say that don't treat failure as enemy. Don't think that failure is an enemy which will destroy you from achieving your goals. Treat that enemy as your best friend. Even though whatever thing your best friend does, you actually end up being with him. Just like that. Failure will build you to the road of success. And also I would say that whatever you're doing, do it with a full concentration and full consistency. If you ever think that you are getting low, if you ever think that the present you are in is not so good, that you are feeling low at some point, just think about your past. Think about yourself when you were 5 years back. I'm sure that you will be totally at least 70% different guy who you used to be 5 years back. This is a process. The process of changing. You have to change, you have to explore, you have to express, and you have to think in mind that anything is possible. Because I know what I'm going for, I know what I'm hard working for. Think like today is the end of your life. Like tomorrow the world is going to end. So within today you have to do everything. Just think that in your mind. And also, if you think that you are not failing, then you are not trying. Failure comes when you try. Tell yourself every day that you are no lesser than anybody. You have your uniqueness. You have your own style. Don't try to act like anybody else. Don't think that you have to become someone else. Be you. Make your own path. Try to make your own path, and one day you will get it, because you know you're trying, you know you're believing in that process. Thomas Alva Edison experimented 1,000 times. 1,000 times he failed, but at the 1,001 time he got the light bulb. Because of that we are able to see the brightness even in the night. This is what you have to believe. How much ever time you fail, how much ever time you fall, rise again and again and again. One day you will rise like a phoenix. No quitting, no falling back. Give everything you have. Whatever things you have, just give it up, everything. Because what you're going to do if you're not giving your full things and expecting the result to be happen, that will never happen. I just want to tell you that believe in the process which you are doing. Even though if you don't get the thing which you are believing in, you will definitely get one day. Everything has a certain time. It doesn't mean that you are starting today and the success will reach you after 1 month, 1 year or 2 years. That is unpredictable. That is totally unpredictable, that you will never know when it comes. But when it will come at the right time. Just think this in mind, that if I want to grow or I want to achieve something, nobody will support me. But when I start, nobody will stop me. You should start in that way that nobody should actually come in opposite of you and tell you that, man, you cannot do this, leave this. Never believe in them. Those are the negatives which comes in your life and it will just go. Which are the people who are talking about you at the back, or who is talking about your process as some of kind of negative way, they are just a stuff which comes and it will just leave. They are not the people who will come to your life till the end. Just remember that. Whenever a people start commenting on you, just think that they are not going to last in your life forever. They'll just come, they'll just go. But at the time, you should not affect that process. Push yourself. You have to be a self-pusher. Nobody come to help you. Nobody is going to tell you what are the tricks and tips to do this, do that. Everything should be self-learning. And this process of learning, never try to quit it, because it will give you so much kind of knowledge to your path to success. Try to face everything which comes in a way. Whatever difficulties it may be, you have to face it. When you try and when you face it, then only you will be able to reach that path of success. And also one day when you try, you will win and you will achieve it. When you do that, you will realize what exactly the process was. That is the golden thing which everybody should understand. Success does not mean that you have achieved something and being happy. It means the process of trying. It means the process of failing. The process of understanding and gaining knowledge in the process. That is the one which builds you a good person and a better person also. Whatever you have, don't look at the things which you don't have. Because when you are doing or when you start something, instead of looking at some of the things which you don't have, start with what you have. One person who don't have anything but still he started, and on the way, on the process, he have achieved lot of knowledge in his way, and he came to know everything around him, and then he built himself, and there he is. That is what you have to do. And finally, I just want to tell that don't stop hustling. Start believing in yourself. Start now, because it's now or never. So after everything which you have tried, you should not stop or you should not give up thinking the fact that I can't get success in my life ever. Thank you so much. If you watched the video till the end, please do share this video with some other people who is less motivated. Tell him that these are the things he should do, because you will never know that when we have life and when we will die. It might be tomorrow. It might be today, we'll never know that. But till the time which we are living, we should live a perfect life. Share this video as much as you can. Tell me about how you felt about this video in the comment section. I would really like to know about this video. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.